In this video, we are showing you a very cool and nice turn that will make sure that you have a lot of fun at your next bachata party. Let's go.
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look around and since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. Oh, and I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. And I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night.
So we start with the Madrid step in 1, 2, 3, tap. So as you saw, our first step is diagonally backwards for the leaders. For the followers, it's diagonally forward. So we go 1, 2 is on the spot, and we turn back in 2. And now we walk diagonally in 3 and tap. In the Madrid step, the leaders are walking next to the followers. So we're not here walking in front of her, but to the side. In 1, 2, 3, tap. And now we do a stop and turn. So we go in 5, and from here we turn her, the lady or the follower, to the other side. In 6 and 7 and 8, and we do the arm breaker. So guys, make sure that when we are here in 4 and we go in 5, that we right away want her to turn on 6 to the other side. In 6, 7, 8. And the other turn is that we keep doing our basic step on the spot, and the same for the followers.
The follower has to do their normal steps in the turn. So when we are here, we go 5. On 6, we turn completely on the right leg, and we do the turn 7 and tap on 8.
So guys, in 7 and 8, together with the turn, we have to prepare the other turn. So here it's 5, 6, 7, and 8. In 8, we need to bring this arm down all the way inside until we have contact here with our forearm and her biceps. Because from here is where we're leading the next turn. And we need to be as close to her body as possible, because from here we let go the hand and we go in 1, 2, 3, tap. So leaders, make sure to really lead with this side, to have the connection here, and of course to raise your elbow so that she actually has space. Because if you want to turn her from here like this, it's not working. You have to go like this, okay? So that she has space and you can control her turn more that way instead of just like this, okay?
Yeah, the follower, we have to be careful that we really push our arm against his, because otherwise he will just move our arm, but we want to move him our upper body. So we have to block here, and then he can lead the turn. Another important thing is that you keep your hips kind of straight and you don't push them forward or backwards. So when you turn, you cannot turn like this. This will make it a lot harder. Really try to maybe go more into the knees a little bit and work with your upper body to go down.
So let's do it counting from this point of view in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap and turn her outside. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and let us know down below. Subscribe to our channel, check out these other videos that you are going to love. See you there.